What are you doing on TikTok right now?
Yeah, I'm just going to my house. I went to my friend's house to have some drink. Now I'm going back. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're not too tipsy. You're good.
Yeah, I'm good. Never been
Okay.
drunk.
You drunk or you're not drunk? Are you
Not
drunk or
I'm not
not?
drunk.
That's great.
Yeah, I'm
That's
not
good.
drunk.
That's
Yeah.
great.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's good about Filipino girl. The Filipino girl can drink,
Oh
yeah, can
wow.
drink
So
a lot of alcohol.
y'all know how to handle your alcohols though.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
I don't drink at all. I don't
Yes.
drink. I don't smoke. I don't. The reason why I don't drink because I always feel like whenever I tried it twice in my life, it was the worst like time ever. And I was like, I don't want to drink alcohol no more. I'm good. I don't want to try it no more. I'm great. I don't drink. I don't smoke. What do you do?
Oh,
What
that's
do you do for a
good.
living?
I work here in delivery company. I do separation and scanning, Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So it's so nice to talk
Yes.
to you, my dear.
Yeah, me too. How about you? What do you do for your living? Ha!
Yeah. So like I said, I'm Haitian, but I'm a Haitian singer.
Oh,
So
you're
I'm.
singer. I'm a singer too. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. I want to hear your
Yeah.
voice.
You first. Can you sing for me first?
No, I asked first, so you go first and I go after. I asked first.
Me? Okay, I can sing for you. I have nothing, nothing if I don't have you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, thanks.
That's beautiful. That is
Thanks.
beautiful. You have a beautiful voice.
Thank
But
you.
do you think like having a career in music industry?
No, it's just my hobbies.
Okay, no, I understand. Me, I do it for living. That's what I do for living.
Oh, that's good. Is that good
Yeah.
that you can speak in your you can sing in your country? Is it easy to, get some? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna explain to you the thing about it when you're in Haiti. Me, since I was 8 years old, because my mom is a gospel singer, so I was born and raised seeing all my family playing music. So when I was like 8 years old, I went to my first competition in my church and I won it. And I was like, you know what? I want to do that like for living. And when I was 14 years old, I went to a competition in my country that called GSL Stars, and I was the second
Mm.
winner. After that, I
Oh,
went to Guadeloupe, represent my country. I went to Martinique. I went to Guyana, French Guyana. Those are like French domination countries. So I went, and then I was like, you know what? I wanna do that for a living. So I started doing music for real when I was like about 18 years old, because this is when I put my first single out named Pibonzami.
mm.
And then
Yeah.
yeah, and yeah, since then I've been doing music for a living. I make my money. I'm not gonna say that I make a bunch of money
Do
yet.
you do you do you sing live or band something like that, or you
Yes,
just?
yes, yes. Like last night, I had like a good performance with one of the sweetest and biggest band in Haiti, named Harmonique. They celebrating their 15 years anniversary. So yesterday I
Mm.
performed with them in Port-au-Prince. So now we are in OCAP because we have a show tomorrow night. So yeah, I do that for a
Wow, that's
living.
good. That's really nice.
So you live by
I'm so glad
yourself?
that yes, I live by myself. Yeah,
I understand.
all
Yeah.
by myself. Oh, babe. Yeah,
All
all by myself.
by myself
Oh, do you have a nice bed? I like
anymore.
that. Ooh,
Yeah.
wow, wow. That's so amazing.
Yes.
Can
Thank
we
you.
have a collaboration someday? I would love
Let's
to
do
have
it. You
collaboration.
never know. Let's do it.
Okay, I would
I
love
can
to
share
follow
my
you.
email with
Yeah.
you because what is it? You can just follow me. I will follow you back. Send me your email because actually what I'm trying to
Oh,
do, I'm trying to
oh.
have some collaboration with so many international artists because I feel like the
Mm-hmm.
our music is so powerful and so beautiful, and I think this is the right
Yes.
time to share our songs with everybody else, with
Oh,
the world. And then if you can sing in,
wow.
yeah, like what is your language? Is Philip what do you call
We
your
do
language?
speak yeah, we do speak our own language, Tagalog, and we do speak Spanish and English too.
So
Yeah.
let's do a song together. It can be a great collaboration. Two queens
Yeah,
on
I
a
would love to do
song.
that. I would love to do that. Oh my
Of
gosh.
course. Of course.
Ooh.
It will be a
Do
pleasure.
you compose your own song, or you just sing some other?
Some of my songs I compose,
Mm-mm.
yes. Like there's
Oh.
People on me. I had one of my good friend that helped me,
Mm-hmm.
and Mal. I just had a song that came out that was 3 months ago, and we just reached it. Like I think it's 7.5 million views on YouTube
Wow.
already in three
Wow.
months. Yeah, my fans they listen. I'm gonna be honest with you.
What's the title of that song on
Mal.
YouTube?
It's Mal. Mal. That's the title of the song.
Mal.
Mal, yes. It's in
Oh,
Creole.
Mal.
It's in Creole, but if you go and listen to it, I can explain to you what I'm talking about in the song. It's
Okay.
like I was trying to
Okay.
let everybody knows that they need to stop the bullying because people needs to
Yes.
breathe. When
Yes.
this world
Yes.
needs to breathe, and then I feel like this is the
Yes.
time to start like preaching the positivity, the love. I feel
Yes,
like
the
the
love.
world is so
Yeah.
heavy. Yes.
Yes. That's a nice message of your song. We don't have to bully someone, because we just human being. We just need to love
That's
each
it.
other.
That's it.
Yeah.
And
Was
everybody
that a
have their
message?
own power.
Oh
Everybody
my
have their
gosh.
own power. Look at you. You beautiful.
Yes.
I'm beautiful. We are like just two
Yes, we
beautiful
are
people.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Yes.
you maybe even if we couldn't speak like English, if I could have just seen you and you see me, our energy would have speaks for us. In this world,
Yes.
the world is so messy. We need to spread the love. This
Yes.
world needs the love. This world we need light, and this is the right time to spread the love. That's what it's
You
about.
are
This is my
very,
message
very
now.
right. Yeah.
Yes.
I love you. I love you. I'm
Oh,
very glad that I met you.
oh my God, thank
I like your
you.
personality. I like how the way
Oh,
you speak. Yeah, I love
you.
you.
No, thank you. We were on this live today for a reason because when the guy sent the invitation, I just responded because I don't really do that on TikTok. But
Mm-hmm.
I just get off the plane and I said, you know what? Let me just speak to my friends a little bit. And then
Yes.
you said like y'all sent the invitation. I responded. I really appreciate the fact that we have the chance to meet and then to speak. And then I think it will be a great idea if we can create a song together. You have a beautiful voice and your
Oh,
energy is
thanks.
beautiful too.
Thank
I
you.
can I can feel the light from where I'm at, and I always tell people that your energy speaks louder than your mouth.
Oh,
When you work somewhere, when you go somewhere,
because
when you go,
I love woman who loves woman.
and we don't have a
Yes.
lot. We don't have a lot in this world. They teach us how to hate each other. They teach us how
Yes.
to stop. Like, oh, if I promote a female artist, she's bigger than me. No, no, no. Everybody have
No.
their own times. Everybody. If
Yes.
you are a star, do you see how many stars there's in the sky? That doesn't mean they fight with each other all the
Yes.
time.
Yes.
No, everybody out there
Yes.
have their own lights, and I really love that. That's a powerful message.
You are so amazing. I really love your personality.
Thank
Oh my
you.
gosh.
Thank you.
I was really shocked that there's a girl like you.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you. I
because
appreciate
yeah.
that.
Oh
I
my
appreciate
gosh. I
that.
really like you.
No, no, no.
Wow.
But we have to. We are because this is the world that we live in. What I always tell people, we all here for a reason. We have our own missions, and there's gonna be a time everybody's gonna be gone. But at the same time,
Yes.
the time that you have here on earth, what did you do with your time? What did you do with your
Yes.
energy? What did you do with your talent? What was your
What
message?
is it?
You have to make
Yes.
sure. Thank you for my TikTok app. You have to make sure that you let everybody knows that the light is on. You are the light. You have to spread the light, spread the like positivity.
Yes.
Stay that you are. If you are the light, just keep spreading the light. Yes.
Yes. Wow. Oh, everybody has to know this. They have to know that every woman have to speak louder, that we yeah. Oh my gosh, my English is over.
I think we can create a song. What you think if we create a song about this, like women lift each other up? What you think about it? Do you write music? Because I know you already have the voice, but do you write music?
Sometimes I just in my mind, but I don't usually write some music. I never
We can do it.
tried.
I can help you. I can help you
Mm-hmm.
because me, I went to school for that. I went to school from like music,
Oh,
creation music.
I love
So
that.
we can create it together. We can sit down and talk about it. You put some of your language word. I put some of my language, some
Oh,
Creole, and we do it
that's
in
very
English.
nice.
And then after that, even I have an accent. You have an accent. That's fine.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We just wanna share the message. That's all matter.
Oh,
This one is so bitter. Yes, we have to do that.
okay.
Follow
Okay,
me,
I
I will
would love
follow
to
you
do that.
back, and then we can create this song together. I think
Mm-hmm.
we can do it. Mm-hmm.
Okay. What was your language? Your
Creole. I speak Creole.
Puyo? Puyo?
Creole.
Oh,
Like if you wanna say hi in Creole, you say bonsoir.
Boswa. Ah,
Bonsoir.
Boswa. Boswa.
Yes.
Wow.
If you wanna say how are you, you say comment ou ye.
Comment?
Ou ye.
Oh yeah.
You
Comment?
got
Oh
it. Look at
yeah.
you. If you wanna say I love you, you said moi remeo.
Mwenge meo.
Moi remeo. It's a beautiful language. Moi remeo.
Mwenge meo. Oh
Yes.
my
That
gosh.
means
That's
you love the
good.
person. Yes, it is. Mm-hmm.
Okay, next time we really have to do that.
Yes,
We
we
have to
can do
spread
it.
the love in the universe.
Mhm.
You know, we only live once in the earth.
Yes, yes, yes,
We only
yes,
live once.
yes,
So yes.
yes.
Oh,
So
I'm
it's
so
very
happy.
important. It's very important to always spread the love. This is what the world needs to hear.
Mm-hmm.
This is the message
Mm-hmm.
that we have to give now. And I agree with you.
Yes. I love you.
Ah, I love you
I'm so happy
too.
that there's a woman like you.
Oh, thank
You know,
you.
sometimes
Thank you.
I experience bullying here on TikTok that they don't like Filipino girls because they watch us as a lower class girl, but I
Oh,
am so proud that we are Filipina, and
oh.
we are talented, we are smart.
But you
Yes.
are beautiful. You are very beautiful.
Oh,
I'm looking at you like you don't have no makeup on. You are very like a
ah,
natural queen. You're beautiful.
thank you.
Don't let nobody in this world tell you
Hi.
else, okay? Because you are beautiful. You are enough.
Thank
Even
you.
if you
Thank
Filipino,
you.
Asian, American, French, whoever you are in this world, you have a
Mm-hmm.
heart. You can love somebody. You know your worth. You are
Yes.
beautiful. And then don't let nobody tell you else. You enough, my dear. Period.
Thank you
Asian,
so
see, Asian
much.
people are sending love for you. They say they love Filipino. Yes, you're beautiful. She is. You see, everybody's saying that. You're beautiful. I don't know why
Oh,
somebody will think that you
thank
are not beautiful.
you. Thank
If someone say that
you.
you're not beautiful, let them know that I say the problem is them. They don't have to see beautiful or beautiful you are because they are ugly themselves in their mind. Because they have an
Yes.
ugly mind, that's why they think you're not beautiful. You
Yes,
are
you are right.
beautiful. You are enough,
Thank
my girl. Don't
you.
let
Thank
nobody
you
tell you
so
else,
much.
okay? No, for real, man. For
Okay,
real.
I will never let myself, yeah, down.
Period. Period.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Don't let nobody put you down because you are already in this space. Stay where you at. Keep that same energy. When somebody said that, I'm gonna be honest. Let me tell you something. I
Mm-hmm.
remember when I was younger, I have big lips. When I was younger, in my school, people used to say, "Oh my God," she like young kids. We do that in school.
Mm-hmm.
We bully a lot, and then they used to say, "Oh, look
Oh,
at you! You have big mouth, whatever, whatever." And also, I have a strong voice. Since I was a baby, my voice used to be always like like the way that I'm speaking now. Yeah, and then there was one day after school, I went to my mom. I was like, "Mama, why was the reason that you had to give me that big lips?" And my mom looked at me and then she said, "I don't know." She never said anything. So there was one day I got out of the shower. My mom looked at me. She said, "Mama," because my mom called me Mama. She said, "Mama,
mm-hmm.
you beautiful. You enough. You are very." She was like, "Oh my God, I can't believe that I created that creator. You so
Mm-hmm.
beautiful." I don't know if the English is good. I'm just trying to explain it to you. Because, that's not my first
Yeah.
language. I'm just trying to communicate with you. So that's fine. So my mom told me, my mom said, "You are very, very beautiful. Don't you ever let anybody put you down because you're already up there. They need to step
Yes.
up their games. If they don't feel like you are enough, That means their minds are not
Woo!
enough, but
Yes,
you are
yes.
enough, my girl. Don't
Now,
let
now I
nobody
know that.
take this.
Yes. Now I
Yes.
know that's why you are an amazing girl because your mom raised you as an amazing girl, you know.
Thank you, babe.
He
Thank you.
raised you
Yes,
with
she did a
a
great
pure
job.
heart and, whoo, I love it.
Thank you. Thank you. No, my mom
I'm,
did a great job. I did not have a
mm-hmm,
father figure in my house. I
mm-hmm,
always tell people
mm-hmm,
that I did not came of I did not came from a rich family. Like when it
mm-hmm.
comes to money, but with heart, my mom has a big heart. And then
Yeah,
I have a
I
rich
can see
family
that
because
now.
they are loving, caring people in this world. If the only accomplishment you have is money, you nothing.
Mm-hmm,
But when you have a big
yes,
heart, you have a good
you're right.
heart, this is what's matter. And all the things will come after.
You are really amazing. Let me tell you something. They bully you because you have a big lips. Every Filipina girl, they have to pay for lips to make
I
that
know,
kind of lips.
I know, my girl,
Yeah,
I know.
they do
Listen,
lip
I know.
filler just to. Ah,
I know. When
that's
I
why you
first came
are.
to America, I'm
Yes.
gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you a little
Mm-hmm.
story of yeah. When I first came here, that was 2016. I moved to America in 2016, and then I moved to New York City. So
Oh,
I was in Manhattan, and then there was like a guy that came to me.
yes, yes,
He
yes.
was like, oh
Mm-hmm.
my God, I love your lips. I was like, oh, thank you. He was like, is it real? I said, yes, I was born like this. He was like, oh, you don't know how much money people are paying every day to have your lips. And I was like, oh, Jesus Lord, I'm so grateful for my lips. But when I was
Yes.
younger, that was the reason
Mm-hmm.
why I used to cry a lot. That's why I tell people, where you at today and people are bullying you saying that you're not enough, is because that you are in a lower place that you're supposed to be. Step up your game. Go
Yes.
upward. You will find energy. You will find your real place, and people are gonna appreciate you. They're gonna love you for who you are because you are the energy yourself. You are the light
Yes.
yourself. You are the love yourself.
Yes.
The love that you're looking for
Yes.
from other people. You are this light. You are this love. You
I
are
love your
this light.
energy.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
whew. I'm so motivated right now. Before I feel so down, I feel so low, but
Oh,
now I talk with you. Oh my gosh. Now I feel so more higher and, I'm so
you are
motivated and I'm
higher.
so grateful.
You are a
Yeah.
powerful
Some
energy.
people bully my forehead. They told me that my
Don't
forehead
let
was,
listen, my girl.
oh,
Listen. This
uh-huh,
is not my real hair. This
uh-huh,
is this is not my real hair. This is some extension that I put.
uh-huh.
You know what that means? That means I love your hair. It looks like yours. But that doesn't mean I don't love my natural hair. I love my natural hair too. But sometimes
Mm-hmm.
when I want to have some more looks, I change my hair. The same way. Let people know that people pay for the hair that you
Yes.
have. So
You're right.
what?
Yes.
Whoever, listen, you were created by the image of God. You are a goddess yourself. Don't let nobody put you down.
Yeah, I like that. I love
Yes.
your message.
Yes,
Oh,
babe. Yes.
oh, I feel so drunk before now. Yeah, I don't feel.
But I feel like it's nighttime. If you wanna go to sleep, my
Yeah.
love, like I said, just send me a message and then we will create the song together. I'm here. Let's talk.
Yeah.
You are beautiful. I'm looking at you like right now. You are beautiful. Don't let nobody
Oh,
tell you nothing else. With no makeup, nothing. You look like that. You're beautiful. For real.
thank you so much. You too. You are so beautiful. I love your color. I love your eyes. I love your lips. We
Thank
have to spend
you.